In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Flutter in VS Code on Mac. By the end, you'll have the Flutter extension installed in Visual Studio Code so you can write, run, and debug Flutter apps with helpful tooling right inside your editor. We're keeping this focused and straightforward, and I'll explain what you're seeing at each step so nothing feels unclear. First, open Visual Studio Code on your Mac. This is the lightweight code editor with the blue ribbon icon, not the full Visual Studio IDE. If you keep it in your dock, click it there. Otherwise, use Spotlight to search for Visual Studio Code and launch it. Give it a moment to load your workspace or the default welcome screen. You don't need to open a project yet. We're just getting the Flutter tools set up. Once VS Code is open, look to the left-hand activity bar and click the extensions icon. It looks like a group of 4 squares, one detached. This opens the extensions view, which is where you browse, install, and manage editor add-ons. If you don't see the panel, make sure the icon is highlighted and your window isn't collapsed too narrowly. In the extension search box at the top of that panel, type Flutter. You'll see a list populate below as the marketplace results load. The one you want is the official Flutter extension, which integrates Flutter tooling and will also handle the Dart language support for you. A good sign you're on the right one is a high install count and strong ratings. Click the Flutter extension in the list to open its details page. Here you can read a short description, features, and changelog. The page also shows that it works in tandem with the Dart extension, so you don't have to install Dart separately. This view is helpful if you ever want to review what the extension adds or check recent updates. Next, click the Install button. VS Code will begin downloading the extension and any required dependencies. Depending on your connection, this can take a few moments. During installation, don't worry if some UI elements pause or the button changes state. That's normal while components are being added. If a security prompt appears asking you to trust the publisher, choose Trust Publisher and install. This confirmation helps ensure you're using an extension from a verified source. Afterward, the Install button will switch to indicate it's installed, and you may see options like Disable or Uninstall. VS Code may briefly reload to finalize setup. That's it. Flutter is now integrated into VS Code on your Mac. You'll notice Flutter-specific commands, helpful code completions, and project scaffolding ready for when you start building. Great job getting everything set up.